Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to automatically remove filler words like and like from your recordings using Descript's free plan. First, open your project in Descript. Make sure your video or audio is fully transcribed. The transcript should appear on the left side of your screen. Now look at the top menu. Click on Edit, then select Find and Remove from the drop-down menu. A new window will open showing different options. In this window, you'll see a section called Filler Words. Check the box next to it. Descript will automatically scan your transcript and highlight every instance of common filler words like and like. You can also customize which filler words to remove. Click the gear icon next to filler words. Here you can add your own words to the list, such as actually, basically, or so. Click Save when done. Now you have two choices. To remove all filler words at once, click the Remove All button in the Find and Remove window. Descript will delete every filler word from your transcript and automatically cut them from your video and audio. To review each filler word before removing it, click Next instead of Remove All. Descript will take you to each filler word one by one. For each word, you can choose Remove or Skip to keep it. After removal, play back your video. You'll notice the pauses where filler words used to be are gone, and your speech sounds cleaner and more professional. And that's it. You've learned how to detect filler words automatically, customize the word list, remove them all at once, or review them individually for more control. If this made your editing faster, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.